We are surrounded by technology. It's entering our homes and helping us automate daily tasks. But I find myself thinking, there has to be a more natural and accessible way to control the devices around us. If the goal of automation is to simplify our lives, why does it feel so complicated? Our goal as a company is to solve this. Say hello to Knocki. Knocki is a small, elegant device that instantly transforms ordinary surfaces in your environment into remote controls. Using Knocki couldn't be easier. You simply take it out of the box, pick a place to put it, select a surface to attach it to, and then define all the things you'd like Knocki to do. Knocki can control a wide variety of devices around us. But the true beauty of our technology is that what it can do is only limited by your imagination.
There you go. Thanks a lot. Took too long. Sorry.
Put one in your living room, or the kitchen, or even your bedroom. I mean, imagine rolling over in the morning and tapping a simple pattern anywhere on your nightstand to snooze your alarm and start the coffee maker without even opening your eyes. You just bought 10 more minutes in bed. And you'll definitely want to put one in your kid's bedroom. It's exciting to think of how Knocki will spark their imagination as they figure out all kinds of ways to use it.
Using Wi-Fi, which is proven to be far more reliable and with better reach than Bluetooth, you can enjoy using Knocki from anywhere. The number of devices and software that Knocki interacts with is rapidly growing every day. It currently includes Nest, Philips Hue, LifeX, SmartThings, IFTTT, and more. But even if you're new to the smart technology world, you can still use Knocki for simple functions around your home. Other technologies that rely on sound or voice control can be unreliable and confusing to use. They can be triggered accidentally and don't always work as expected. Our patent-pending technology uses non-acoustic sensors. It's able to distinguish deliberate tap or knock patterns from random vibrations in the environment.
The beauty of our product is that it makes any regular environment into a user interface. Think about the surfaces around you. So many of them serve one or two purposes. Add a Knocki to them and you instantly have a hub for automation. We carefully chose every material and finish for Knocki. We've gone through a series of different tests and prototypes to make sure that Knocki blends in your environment and also looks beautiful on your surfaces.
We're doing our first production runs here in the USA because it's important for our entire team to be there on the ground floor, ensuring that we're manufacturing the best possible product. We're excited to bring Knocki to Kickstarter. It's not some far-fetched idea. We've finalized our designs, we have a beautiful working prototype, and we need to raise funds to actually get it into production and immediately start shipping them to your door. We couldn't be more excited about how this product is going to change lives and bring joy to people everywhere. Knocki accomplishes what technology is supposed to do. Instead of taking over our life, it enhances it, allowing you to put more thought and effort into the things that really matter. Tap into the world around you with the magic of Knocki.
A couple years ago, we set out to build a family of affordable yet high-quality smart weather stations. And we've done it. Our weather stations are simple to install, require almost no maintenance, and automatically connect with your smartphone, your smart home, and the internet. They're better than other stations sold at twice or 3 times the price. Finally, you can have useful weather information from your own backyard. This is Air. Air measures temperature, atmospheric pressure, and relative humidity. And Air does something else special. It detects lightning. It'll not only alert you when lightning strikes, but it'll estimate the strength and distance of the storm up to 25 miles away. And it'll tell you how fast the storm is approaching. Just set it outside in the shade. Air has a battery that'll last years, and it connects wirelessly to your smartphone, tablet, or home network. You don't have to think about it. When there's something you need to know, it'll alert you. You can also view your data anytime through our Smart Weather app, as well as other popular weather apps like Weather Underground. And this is Sky. Sky measures sunlight, solar radiation, including UV index. It also does two really cool things. It measures rain and wind with no moving parts. Unlike old school tipping buckets that can break or fill with things other than rain, Sky senses each individual raindrop using an innovative haptic rain sensor. It can alert you the instant it starts to rain, tell you how hard it's raining, and how much it rained yesterday or last week. Sky also measures wind speed and direction using an array of sonic transducers. This sonic anemometer is better in many ways than traditional spinning cups, and usually only available in much more expensive systems. Like Air, Sky comes with a long life battery and is completely wireless. Also like Air, Sky is simple to install. Just find a spot with a clear view of the sky. Both Sky and Air work with all the popular smart home platforms, so you can do all those nifty smart home things, like reminding you to put on sunscreen when the UV index is high, delaying your sprinklers when it rains, optimizing your air conditioning system to save money, turning on your lights when the sun goes down, or closing your garage door when the wind kicks up. If you've made it this far, congratulations, you're a certified weather geek, just like all of us at WeatherFlow. We're on Indiegogo now because we want you to be the first to get your hands on one of our new weather stations, and because we need your feedback. As we finalize production details on the hardware and in the app, there's still time to make changes. Ask us questions. What did we do right? What could be better? Please take a look at our perks. Share this page with your friends, weather geek or otherwise. We want these to be the best home weather stations in the world because we want you to have better weather data. Please help us do that. Thank you.
Introducing the biggest breakthrough in Wi-Fi in 15 years. With access to triple the spectrum, enabling up to 300 times faster performance than the typical consumer router. 10 state-of-the-art internal radios, active MIMO beamforming, and 9 powerful antennas for amazing range and coverage. All without compromising design and style.
Portal is, we believe, the fastest, strongest Wi-Fi. It's able to adapt to changing environments, able to adapt to congestion and traffic, something that you'd never had to manage because it was smart enough to manage itself.
You'll get faster Wi-Fi no matter what the condition is. You'll get a much more reliable connection.
Imagine, if you will, a 6-lane freeway, but for the last 15 years, everybody's really only driven on 1 lane, or maybe 2 if you're lucky. You ask yourself, why are these 4 lanes not being used? Well, we've solved that problem. Portal uses all of those lanes, and it does it intelligently. You can change lanes predictably to avoid interference and to avoid traffic.
A big part of the Wi-Fi spectrum actually is reserved for radar. Wi-Fi is allowed to share on it, but to share it, you have to make sure radar is not present. And that's a very delicate and very highly regulated environment. We've received certification for doing that. The way we achieve that is we've been working with the FCC for quite some time. All of our products are now authorized to work within those radar bands. So one of the key applications we developed Portal for was gaming. What we wanted to do is create some special channels that offered both high bandwidth and very low latency. And we control the access to those channels so that if we know you're gaming and we can detect that automatically, we'll give you the best gaming experience possible. We're looking to build a community of people who are serious about improving Wi-Fi and want to work with us on development of the product. Our goal is to make it a platform so that as Wi-Fi grows and develops into different areas, that we're one of the first guys who can support that. But we need your help and support to do that.
There's no other router in the world that can do what we do.
This is the solution. Please help us fund our Kickstarter. We think we can change Wi-Fi forever.